Macclesfield. Welcome to our workshop, getting ready for the homemade Barnaby Parade. The ayes have it.
For how to take part in the Barnaby Homemade Parade.
My name is Jean Westbrook.
My name's Neil Puttick.
And we want you to join in with our wonderful Barnaby Homemade Parade.
Woo!
The ayes have it.
Welcome to our workshop.
Oh.
This year, the Barnaby Parade will be from the comfort of your own home.
The theme is vision.
And we want you to show us your vision. Making eye-catching videos.
And hats. This will go live at 11:30 a.m. next Saturday.
Jean is going to show you all about wiggly eyes, cat's eyes, kaleidoscope eyes. You can use objects to inspire you too. You can use all sorts of things to make your eyes.
You can write about them, make them, wear them. Aye. All sorts of things. All sorts of things. All sorts of things. And you can put your eyes on almost anything.